technique. Bend the knee before you connect. Bend right when you connect. Move the arm in the opposite direction. Land on the same spot and stay as straight as possible. Technique is very important with this kick. But the basic thing, the main thing with this kick is flexibility. The more flexibility you have, the better you'll do. Flexibility and technique is what separates professionals from amateurs and the boys from the men. Obviously, this is all way easier said than done. In part 1, assuming you guys already saw it, if you didn't, worry not, you don't need to. Part 1, I simply tricked Viking Samurai and anyone who saw it into doing it partially good, but mostly wrong. In this video, you guys will get all the information on this kick, hereby making you an expert at doing this kick and setting up the camera in case you ever want to do a fight scene or anything like this.
For members only. So first of all, you guys want to, when you start doing this, all right, you should start doing it the way I'm going to do now. I already did the stretching, did the oversplits and all of that good stuff. If you can do it, you do that. Then, but like I said earlier, you guys don't need to be able to do the oversplits. If you guys get this far off of the ground in the splits, you can still kind of pull off this kick, only you won't be in a full splits in the air, obviously. But that's okay, you can still make it look like you are.
What? Ha! I'm going to be out fighting by knocking people out, outperforming, outsplitsing, and outkicking Van Damme in this last part of the trailer.
Take it easy. We got plenty of time.
You may ask yourself, why am I outperforming Van Damme like this? It's because I can. I can do this all day. Here coming the knockouts and street fight footage.
Take it easy. We got plenty of time. How to do this?
But my hands are registered as lethal weapons. That means we get into a fight, I go to jail.
With your skills, you are a deadly weapon and are not subject to the same laws as other people that are provoked because you can respond with deadly force. It is the order of this court that you be...
Well, the case didn't turn out too well. I am guilty as charged.
You were good, kid, real good. But as long as I'm around, you'll always be second best, see?